the sun and God made the moon. God made the millions of flowers that bloom. God made the mountains and God made the sea, but God saved the best for me.
I am a masterpiece created by God, made out of wonderful love. I am a masterpiece created by God, more beautiful than all of the stars above.
God made the prairies and God made the sand. God made the sunset that colors the land. God made each planet in our galaxy, but God saved the best for me.